Hello, I'm Simran. I'm from Pune, India.
Hi, my name is Ruturaj and I'm from Aurangabad.
Hello, I am Aman. I am from Dhanbad, India.
Hi, I'm Radhika and I'm from Mumbai, India.
My name is Vogan D'Souza. I'm from India, Mumbai, Bandra to be specific.
Hello, my name is Alan Rajan Abraham and I'm settled in Dubai, but I hail from Kerala.
So I came here to Rustavi city on the 7th of November 2016, and it's been about 2 months here and I'm definitely loving it here now.
Georgia is very good. It's natural beauty and many sightseeing and beaches and all. And here peoples of Georgia is very good and helpful, very joyful.
Georgia as a place, it's basically miniature India, but thing is there is so much diverse landscapes. You can see many architecture, like you can see many stuff over here, and the places are really cool. You can really enjoy, and I'm hoping for the I'm waiting for the vacations to enjoy, to explore more of Georgia.
So before coming to this place, I obviously googled the safety about Georgia, and it comes under the top 10 safest countries. Instead of talking about the safety of Georgia, safety about our university, it's very safe. We are like a family here, around 200 students, and that's how our teachers make us feel.
This country as a whole is a very safe place because the national security or the peace and the morale of this country is really good. It actually helps people a lot, and it is also said, it is also known that it's one of the safest place.
We don't feel homesick here. We have good surroundings and the scenery is nice. Our university is near to a river and it's a nice place.
In a short line, it's a very cool country. It has a very good culture and traditions because it's something like very fascinating and new you would experience here because something you have never seen.
Like Rustavi is around 25 kilometers away from Tbilisi, and Tbilisi is a nice place. We go there by taxis, buses, and there are many more things to explore in Rustavi also. It's a nice city, peace, and you get a study environment here.
As I had always aspired to be a doctor, so David Tulliani Medical University has given me an opportunity to fulfill my dreams, and it's even better for me because they are providing me for a course which will help me clear in USMLE later as well.
We have to study a lot because we have to give everyday presentations. We have orals, and every month we have a quiz. I have a quiz I have passed in that I have to appear in that second quiz. Medicine is always difficult throughout the world, so it's not easy. We have to study a lot in this because doctors are the second god of this world. So we have to give life, or we have to not take a life, so we have to study hard in this. And here administrative staffs are very good, helpful. They provide us foods, buying stuffs and everything.
Education is USMLE based, and main thing is that if you're considering MCI, USMLE is a higher standard than MCI, so there's nothing there to worry about MCI.
Daily basis, the everyday studies are really good because what we study today, we have to present it the next day to the teacher. So that is a good thing because it forces us and it makes us to sit and concentrate and study for the next day.
Basically speaking about this university, it has given me a very good experience because as you know, as I have friends in India who are doing their MBBS currently, and when I inquire about them, they tell me that the MBBS studies, like the workload they have over there is too tough and difficult for them to handle on a daily basis. But for us, for me, it is a very helpful factor because we don't have we don't have a heavy load to study on a daily basis. We just have to concentrate on one subject on a daily basis, and then and so on. We have the rotation, which depends upon a time, which is limited by a time bound period.
Studies here are based on USMLE, and yes, you have to study hard here to be able to pass the oral exams and the quizzes. After each subject rotation, there's an oral exam, and after 2-3 subjects get over, you have a quiz based on the syllabus of those subjects. Yeah, the quiz is difficult, and you have to understand the concept well to be able to answer the questions that come and pass.
You have to read, you have to go through different books, and yeah, it is tough, but if you study each and every day, so it's not that hard. And as you have to present each and every day, so it's easy to get through it.
Education here is excellent. We've got everything that was promised to us, coming from food to the hostel and to the education as well. The staying over here is excellent. The rooms, we get everything everything that is promised is there in the rooms. Coming up from a 4 sharing, 2 sharing or 3 sharing, whatever we want is provided and nothing is denied to us. Coming to the food is excellent because we are more or less Indian students here, and we have given food that is good for our taste buds. So there's nothing like chapatis in the sense, we get that.
Campus is pretty good and it is really spacious. And the best thing is that there are proper rules, restrictions which are needed, and apart from that we have our own enjoyment, and whatever functions or festivals we have, it's celebrated with lots of pomp and joy. Recently we had a freshers party, which was really exciting. It was a nice opportunity for us first year students to go to have a freshers party. And even for Christmas we had nice decorations, and all kids came together. We cut a cake and everything.
If there are people who go to the gym, there'll be a gym constructed in the college as well, and many other sport activities, extracurricular activities that are going to be present. Or you can say indoor games like table tennis and other games. And there'll be a cricket ground there, probably a football and a tennis court.
The staff over here is really cooperative and supportive, because even though by the time when we came to the new campus here, the staff was very helpful to us, and they really checked that they met our requirements, because whenever we face a problem or we had a difficulty in getting things done, the staff was so helpful to us, and they just help us I don't know, I just have no words. I just feel like asking your relatives or your parents, anyone back in your home country, just you're asking for help and they're doing it for you readily. The staff is so concerned about students over here, and they do take really care of it.
One thing I want to talk about, the teachers, they are doctors themselves. So people who have doubts like who are the teachers, are they doctors and stuff? They are doctors, and some are graduates from DTMU, and few have passed USMLE and have not decided to go to US but stay in their own country, because they love this country, and they have decided to teach in their own college they have passed out from. They speak fluent English, so we understand everything, and they are going slow as possible. Whenever we have doubts, they clear all our doubts, and they do wait after class ends. They do wait and help us solve our doubts, and they are warm at heart, and it's very good. It's like home. Like you don't feel like you're in another country as such, and you feel the warmth that the Georgian people give you.
The Georgians here are really cooperative. At times you might feel a difficulty, because the most of the people here, they some of them know English, but some they just understand from what we express. They can understand the language. That is the only difficulty you'll face in the first problem. But as the time goes on, you learn the language. You learn the Georgian language, and similarly you'll be able to communicate with them. And these people over here are really helpful also. They don't. They're not harsh, they're very gentle, they're very calm, they help us a lot in the video.
The main thing is about safety, food, staying, and I'm sure we video chat with our parents every day, more or less every day, because education is tough and you don't get to talk to them every day, and they understand it because they know we are studying and we're not fooling around. Secondly, they know that we're getting all these facilities and we are happy, and seeing us happy, they are happy. Yeah, so a message to them is that we are happy here and there's nothing there to worry about as such.